Then what's next?
Inside. Turn it off for the city.
Yeah.
On for the generator.
Just wait.
The power for the generator. For the generator power.
Generator, that one? Oh my God, it's good. Michael, just wait.
It's very, very simple. If the disconnect for the generator, you need it. Turn it off like this.
So after we finish, so
There's already electric came out.
Right now, it's all the house, the power for the generator. Okay?
Yeah.
AC, everything.
so
For the disconnect, turn it off like this. Turn it on for the
okay.
Okay.
Go for the generator.
How to on turn off the generator? That kailangan ko ng lights that. How to turn off now?
3 to 5 minutes will turn off.
Okay.
If you turn it off for here, the generator comes.
Okay.
The gas.
Okay.
Inside the